Hey everybody, it's Tammy. I just wanted to share my design team project for June with you from MadPaperCrush, and I'll put all the links below. And if you go to her Etsy store and put in a girl from the Bayou, you get 10% off. And I think that's pretty much all year. So what I have done is used a couple of her kits. I needed some ephemera, and I've made a loaded pocket. Corey Damon does these. Now this is just one of her little, this is from MadPaperCrush. I think it's the Sundry's kit. I'll link it below. And I just decorated it. Needed some ephemera and some journaling space there. These are from the kits. Just some of the ephemera. It's just ready to cut out and add to your projects. Oops, upside down. This is from one of the kits, and I just made it into a little journaling spot tag. It can go over the top of the page, you know, also like this. Oh, no, this one I had. This is another one of those little journaling spots. This is in the ephemera also, and I made a little book. And this paper even comes in the kit. So this is from her wallpaper kits. I said I'll list it below. And it gives you 3 pockets, 3 hidden little pockets, journaling spaces that you can fill. And this is 8.5 by 11, but I have certainly done smaller ones to fit in the journals. You just fit it the way you want to. And like I said, this little pocket is from Corey Damon. Check out all her videos. She had some flips and different folds that you can do. Also, I decorated some tea bags. So this is an actual tea bag. I'm looking around for one. I had a box of these. So they're about 6 inches opened up, 4.5 by about 3. But this is the way I decorated it, and this is from the wallpaper. Just added some lace. You know, it's tricky. I used a piece of acetate and put in there to keep everything from gluing together. You gotta make sure you put something in the bag so it doesn't glue your pieces together. And this is from one of her kits, some of the wallpaper also. This is an actual tea bag that I put the wallpaper on. Made a cute little tag journaling spot. I have one of these little closures that closes up, real thin little paper. It's great on vellum. Got it off of Amazon. This one I especially love. Kind of added, you know, I printed this design of hers on graph paper, front and back, and I think it turned out really good. It's just enough color, and I could have left it just the way it was, but added some embellishments. Love these ladies. A little card. And then the final thing that I did is some double-sided paper clips using her different designs on different kits. This is from the wallpaper one. Now this is just cardstock I had, but that's from that Vintage Ladies. I'll list it. That's from the wallpaper, and I put some glitter on there. Not sure you can see it, but these are double-sided, so lots of fun. So I'll list everything below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.